Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel ABS, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.